I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet an easy candy cane for a decoration. To do this, you'll need less than 10 yards of 100% cotton yarn and a size G hook. Leave a 6-inch tail end, make a slip knot, and chain 47. Skip that first chain and make a single crochet in the next chain. Then make a single crochet in each chain across. At the end, you will have made 46 single crochet stitches. It's a good idea to measure your work at this time. My first row runs between 13 and 14 inches. This will produce an 8-inch tall candy cane in the end. For row 2, chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch across this row. At the end, make your last stitch, fasten off, and leave about a 6-inch tail end on this side as well. Here's what the white strip looks like. Make 1 more crochet strip, either in green or red or some other color. It's time to twist them together. I like to practice while the strips are dry since it's easier to see them. Place the 2 strips together with the single crochet bumpy ridge side facing outwards on both strips, and then slowly twist them like this. The natural curl of the 2 single crochet rows will make the candy cane rounder looking. Now it's time to prepare the glue and water mixture. I use a flat board and place either some plastic wrap over it or a large plastic bag. Plastic will prevent the candy cane from sticking to the board. Use 3/4 of a cup of glue, the kind that dries clear in the end, with about 1/4 cup of water. You can add a bit more water if your glue is really thick. Place the red crochet work in the mixture and completely saturate it. The cotton really needs to absorb the glue mixture. Then place the white one in and do the same thing. Take your pieces out, but try not to wring out too much of the glue mixture. Twist your work again. Once completed, place the crochet into the shape of a candy cane. You can spoon on a little more glue and water mixture to ensure they are really soaked with it. Now it's time to let them dry. It could take a day or 2 to dry. Glue dries best in warmer rooms, so if you can turn up the heat or place the candy canes near a warmer place, that would definitely make them dry quicker. And that's how I make my easy candy canes.